that you see a lot of activities and influence between the operators in the sector, between the government and the academia. You see centers of excellence being established in some of the universities in many of these mining countries. So instead of having clear-cut institutes in all parts of the geopolitical zone, we have some schools of excellence. Take, for instance, in Jos, where you have the University of Jos. And University of Jos has a department of mining and geology. And you make this research and development and skills acquisition a major input, not just from government, but from even operators in the industry.
If 10% of all what had been generated from oil in River State was being put as a community development association to develop River State, where do you think River State would have been today? So please, we must have a human face to all we're doing. It's not about when you have a situation in a community where only one person is rich and the rest are poor, that rich person is equally poor.
The bills to establish multiple federal institutes of mining and geosciences across various states, Garagu in Nasarawa State, Takum in Taraba State, Ikoro in Ikiti State, Akampa in Cross River State, Gusau in Zamfara State, and Umuai here in Abia State, are a testament to our commitment to building the intellectual and technical capacity required to harness our mineral wealth responsibly.
Community Development Commission, to me, is not going to really help the mining sector itself, because it's like putting more obstacles in the path of investment in this sector. The community and the miners' relationship is clearly spelled out in the Minerals and Mining Act that we are operating now. So all this 10%, all this equity, all these things, it's not just going to fly. It is in clash unless the Minerals and Mining Act itself is amended. What it specifies that the relationship between the mining investor and the community is the Community Development Agreement, which is to be renewed every 5 years.